Hey there. Welcome to week 3 of my keto-ish journey. Let me sit down here. So I started, of course, at 304 pounds, and as of this morning, I weighed in at 290. So down 3 pounds for the week. If you're new here, my name is Dave. I'm 59 years old and trying to hit about 240 pounds before my next cruise in November. So let's take a look at this morning's weigh-in. Okay, let's see. Calculating. Boom, 290. That's awesome. Now my favorite part, spreadsheet time. Let's log in the numbers. So here we go. Doing week 3, and it is March the 23rd, 2025. Weighed in at 290. Let's do the calculations. I always have to fix this one for some reason. All right, there we go. I am down 3 for the week, down 14 since I started. 15 pounds more to go to reach my first goal of 275. And there we go. So that's 3 pounds this week. Slower than week 1, but still solid. That's down 14 pounds total. So let's talk food. What did I eat this week? My big keto win was I found a way to make bacon wrapped steaks in my Ninja air fryer, and it's so fast. Watch this. Okay, I thawed the steaks in the fridge for the day. They should be good to go. They were frozen. Now the tricky bit is opening these packages. They don't have any tabs on them. If somebody does, let me preheat the Ninja, 400 degrees, I think I'm gonna do, yeah. Preheat for a few minutes. Okay, now I gotta open these stupid steaks. If somebody can suggest in the comments how to open this up without stabbing yourself, greatly appreciated. too. Slimy things. Oh, Milo's doing a photo bomb once again. Yeah, I think I preheated for like 3-4 minutes. Yeah, about 4 minutes looks like. Toss the steaks in. Now I read that, I think these are 4-ounce steaks, and I read it takes maybe 5-6 minutes per side. So let's do first side. Set it for 6 minutes. Now let's flip them over. Looking pretty good. Nothing sticks in these Ninja fryers. They're great, and they're super easy to clean up. I just wash them in the sink, a little bit of soap. Okay, another 5 minutes. Alright, looks like we're done. Need to check the temperature. Find the stupid temperature probe. There we go. I like my steaks medium rare, I like my steaks medium rare, so my target temperature is probably going to be about 115 or 120. I blew it on this round because this is the first time I had done these before. I think they were registering about, I don't know, a lot more than that. Use my temperature probe to pull them out of the Ninja. And they're done. These things were well done. I'm still doing intermittent fasting. I typically don't eat until about noon or 2 o'clock. Yeah, it's going well. I break my fast with the protein bar as usual. Piss off, B. Yeah, my other snacks include cheese sticks, nuts. Recently I got a kielbasa, and I'll slice up some fresh matzah to go with that. Just snack food until I do my larger dinner at I don't know, usually about 6 o'clock. I'll eat it while watching the latest news. Yeah, my snacks include the cheese sticks, nuts, random nuts. Depends on whatever I have around. Peanuts, cashews very sparingly because they're higher in carbs. Same with peanuts. I got walnuts, almonds from time to time, and of course my Tequila Coke Zero. Let me show you how I put that concoction together. It's not rocket science. So as I've mentioned before, the Tequila Coke Zero kind of keeps me sane-ish. I mean, it's not recommended for non-alcoholics or people that don't have a high tolerance for alcohol. Not that I'm drinking a ton, but it affects people different ways, and most people would tell you that it's a bit of toxin for your body. But nonetheless, it works for me on this keto diet, and keeps me satiated. And yeah, I don't want to be hungry if I don't have to be, and I don't want to take GLP-1s. Um, Certainly, this isn't hardcore keto by any stretch of the imagination, but I do keep it. Um, I do count my net carbs. I read labels, and I try and stay between. I don't know. Sometimes I'll get down as low as 20 grams of net carbs per day, and I think I really only peak near 50 grams of net carbs per day. So that it seems to be working for me. And judging by my weight loss, will continue it. I'll adjust as time goes on, like I did last time when I lost my 169 pounds the first time around. Not every week's going to be 7 pounds down, and that's cool with me. 3 pounds. The trend's continuing, and I feel more. I have more energy, feeling less bloat, um, more control over my cravings. Um, and I'm thinking about the upcoming cruise, of course. My wife's actually going on one in 2 weeks. It's kind of her and a girlfriend. They're doing it. So I'm a little bit jealous, but I'm thinking about that upcoming cruise and the beaches and walking, and I want to enjoy it again. I love that stuff. It just I encourage everybody to do cruises. It's good value. I typically sail Carnival. Um, it's great value, never mind. Plus, I'm a bit of a gambler, so a lot of my cruises are actually free, or there's minor upcharges to upgrade. But it's still, I'm in Canada, so my basic expense is actually flights and hotel before the cruise. But other than that, the cruises are fantastic, and it's nice to get some sun. I like it. Buy more tropical shirts, and yeah, I can't wait to go, and I'm gonna be lighter on my feet. The last cruise was a nightmare. So if you're over 50 and trying keto, um, or restarting like I am, let me know in the comments. I'd love to have a conversation with people. I learned so much from YouTube on my journey, and there's a lot of great YouTubers out there that have tons of awesome information. Um, but if you got a great air fryer recipe, let me know, because it's amazing. It's so easy to do stuff. It blew my mind. If you saw in the video, I got another air fryer right beside it, a Hamilton Beach or something like that. It's nothing compared to a Ninja. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on your notifications. And I can't wait to get back to you guys with my next update. Bye for now.